Just before we go flying, let's first set up the drone, do activation and firmware update. I have already charged up the battery. This one also has been charged. I'm going to choose country. Let me search. Initially, when I was setting up my Mini 3 Pro, I couldn't find my country here. What I did with my Mini 3 Pro, which is what I'm also going to do here, is I'm going to select Kenya. So connect to your Wi-Fi, then select your time zone, log into your DJI account. The next screen is telling me to activate, so I'm just going to click on activate. Follow the screen prompt. Now I'm going to click on agree. So it's activating the aircraft now. Activation successful. Alright, let's do firmware updates. Now it's done updating firmware. So let's go outside and have some fun with the first flight of this DJI Mini 4 Pro. Everything you see here is straight from the camera, normal color. I'm also recording my screen. To record your screen with DJI RC2, you have to have a memory card inside of it. Bed. Another bed. Now I want to test the tracking, and I'm just using the spotlight mode to try different movements. I'm pushing my right joystick towards the right, and that's the only thing I'm doing to get this particular movement. Now the tracking has adjusted to location. If you move it for a while, it's going to adjust to a location. I turned to normal mode to get faster movement. Now I'm pulling backwards with my right joystick. Here now I want to pull down my left joystick to get this tilting movement. Then pushing my right joystick leftwards. If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button for the algorithm.